Auntie, all threats is a comfort to a fool. You see everything that the Lord bless you with, Auntie? I need you to enjoy every minute of it, Auntie. I want you to enjoy every second of it. And I don't want you to look over this way or over that way. You just be beautiful that night. And I want you to think about that night. Just like any other day or any one of your occasions where you look beautiful. I just need you to do that. Just in case you didn't know, Auntie, what you have been doing out here for the past 5 years. Ping Ping, I'm very unruly, but I'm a sweetheart. I can make that up. I want you to enjoy every second of it. And I'm welcoming you to the United States of America with open arms and a red carpet out. Because you deserve it. Nobody tells me to do this. I'm doing this on my own. And I come in spirit and in truth. And I just need you to enjoy. You don't even have to look back where you're coming from anymore. You left enough out here for real people to understand how far you coming from. You just keep on going, Mama. And I don't want you for a second or even make me feel any way, shape, or form that you feel uneasy. Because guess what? That ain't what the man upstairs wants. And I ain't never going to judge you like nobody else. I need you to enjoy. You're beautiful when you chillaxing or when you on the go. And I need the Lord to let you understand that, mamas. For all the truth that man upstairs showed me, it's only certain type of people, Auntie, that stay in school and wants to sit there. I'm a firm believer, and I come home on my break just to let you know. The United States welcome you. You're not afraid of nothing. And you ain't never been and never will be. Mama businesswoman, I'm asking you because I'm a customer. That free spirit you have, let it be free. I want you to be beautiful in your own rights. I don't have to worry about my truth. At no point, no tall. July 13th, I want you to enjoy yourself and you not looking back. You let Romesh know what I said and everybody else. I and a slew of people welcome you before you come here in the United States. In any city, in any ground. You're a humanitarian. You're a businesswoman. You a mother. You a mother to some that ain't got none. And I will go to work that night, mamas. No, you're not afraid of nothing. Even if you move, mama, and the Lord picks somebody else to do what you have been doing for the last 5 years, no one can amount up to you, mamas. Because you're rightfully in your lane, mamas, please. You're rightfully in your lane. Don't underestimate the lane. It's your lane. Mama, businesswoman, let me tell you. The same exact things that they did to the Most High himself and all the image of what they have done and what was instilled in us, what happened to that man. Let me tell you something here. He favored you. He see you in him, and he could have trusted you with certain things. And I'm following suit, mama. Many ain't gonna like my truth, but I'm not here for them to like. I'm reasoning. God bless you 1,000 times. $0 and 0 cents. I need nothing for it. I've been watching. And you all right with him. And you definitely all right with me. And that's for life. Whether I'm here in the living or I'm not. You're a good woman. Good woman. When I leave here, mama, he gonna tell me, he gonna ask me some things. But I'm gonna answer for me. That's why I have logical reasonings behind me caring for you. You hear? You're welcome. Anywhere you go. And I only learn about you through you. Your action, your words, it matches up. I don't worry about petty foolishness. No one can get me to turn my back on you, mama businesswoman, and I'm a customer. If anybody else around the world can exercise happiness and whatever their blessings, yours came. And they don't understand how. But I get it. And it's a beautiful thing. To wear that uniform that they'll never understand, none of them. Mama, be encouraged. I want you to think about what you're going to wear that night. But as long as they know, not even a fly, I'm fine. Because you know what? I'm not sitting down and being quiet. I see you in a light that even if I explain, none of these people on social media, I love you for free because of what you show me. And I can identify it because we all have it in us. And you exercise it all the time. Before the day you take off your slippers and go hustle for a young boy and give it to him and walk barefoot. Everything that they judging you for, I don't care. I know exactly. See, because mamas, he give me, you, and everybody else, before he bless us to go to our occupation and do all of these things, he bless us to do some things. And I humbly appreciate you for all the things, because some of them walk and they act like them got church and these different things, and they're not living right because them too busy to watch you. So you can't help who love you out here. This grateful orphan love you and you don't know. Respectfully. And everything that they have done that I see as a child, mama, from my dad, and that heart that you have, that black diamond that you have, you remember this, mama. For every man in a Jamaica that done the same thing that I'm doing and speaking on truth, you deserve every minute of it. And if I could repay those people and I don't even know them, mama, I'm just grateful. You well and deserve it. You're welcome into a place where I was raised. People come here every day. They don't get all of that like you getting it. I am here to fight the devil off for you at any time. And I mean in truth. And I'll stand my grounds. And I will exercise every one of my amendment rights for the truth. You're a beautiful soul. The world needs to know more about you. Because I'm talking about from every corner to corner, mamas. Every corner to corner, you know. They would respect you. You're a great person. You're never gonna understand. Don't pressure it too much. But you're never gonna understand why people love you and gravitate to you the way they do. You're not gonna understand that. All you gotta do is just keep on being you. No one is perfect and they know that. That's the ABC 1, 2, 3. Is that man shining his light on you? Yes, he is. Pure, I see it. I don't need anything to call your name. Mamas, if I was living in a cardboard box, you wouldn't know that. Everybody have to go home and go answer one day. And I love you for everything that you bring forth and the way you do it in your own way. And I will never turn my back. Nobody can question me before my questions. I want you to think about that day. And if you didn't know, you made me, because I don't know about everybody else, into a believer. If I did not know that man upstairs, I promise you, I find it in you. And I know that the Lord is all over you. You didn't shut down. You didn't fold. He made your back just as wide and broad for the blessings that he has to come. And it is okay. July 13th. If anybody that respect everything that you have brought to a device, we're not talking about the idiotic stuff. They want views, mama. You see, when I say all of this, I don't have to worry. I don't have to carry it on my heart. Yes, I'm shy. And it's supposed to be that way. And I will support you in any way, shape, or form and make it look good. Because I know exactly what I'm doing. I give God thanks for your 4 best friends. And whoever else you feel like is close to you. That means nobody on social media knows but you. I give God thanks for them. All who have your back, I give God thanks for them. You're a humble calf, and it is for you to suck the most milk. Whoever been paying attention will suck the most milk in life when they humble. You are. Anything that the Lord provides you, whether it be your Gucci purse, your Gucci shirt, your Gucci hat, you wear it. Even the simplest thing, to pick the flowers from the side of your mansion that he said that you deserve. They don't understand that flowers here, anywhere you've been doing this. You proved that to me as a real person. It ain't just now. God bless you every step of your way. Every step of the way. And I don't need absolutely nothing. I'm an outcast and I love it. As a child, I remember this. God knows. Big up to your 4 first best friend. And then all of the other people and your best friends in life. You're supposed to know who they are, because I don't. But I'm only going the strict way. Don't be discouraged. I want you to know that you're on fleek every day. Whether you mixing or whether you're going out to your other occupation that people ignore. And I ask the Lord, and anything that guides me, cover everything around your mansion. No turbulence. Red carpets is out. Waiting on you. And you must not look over your shoulder. Big up your whole team. You must know who they are, mamas. But the game change. You hear? Don't worry about nothing. They're exactly what you need to worry about. Because you see that ladder that you're on, when they come next to it, trying to creep up, it's all one step. After that, you can't even go back down there. Because that's not where he wants you. You keep going. Yeah? It's you and God's business, not nobody else's. They have to answer for their own doings. That's why I don't watch TV, mamas. I love you to light. That means a lot. The regular people say I love you. When you're speaking and when you're conversing with a chosen, you will hear this. I love you to light. Dr. Donna Marigo. You understand it's going? Understand that. What goes up must come down. I know we all heard it before. It's your time to go up because you know how to hold on. I admire your strength. Dr. Donna Marigo. Yeah. I admire your strength as a black woman. How you raise your 4 best friends, that also make me remember my parents. I've never been in trouble a day of my life. I stay on the flip side of things, but people judge me. That's good. I'm only a messenger, Doc, to tell the other people. You're not the cause of my behavior or anything. And I will not tell the public why on too many go-rounds. You will know in due season. You deserve all of your flowers and your respect. And I'm doing it from over here in the United States. And I will exercise all of my amendment rights. And I respect all of them. If I wanted to turn over and say to be like someone that I see on the internet, it definitely will be you or my 2 other aunties. No disrespect to the other ladies. It's something that they personally gave me. It's something that my mamas gave me. But all they do is just drag her name. She's a beauty. And everything I say stick like grits. I respect her, y'all. And I don't feel alone. That's it. There's other people out here that saw her use this device and use it and did it very well. We're not talking about, we talking about big people things, people. You know how many people she invited when nobody was on her name? To that man upstairs just with her one Bible that they all remember. But every leaf and every scripture, it was for her. She don't have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hands. So if y'all saw her, the mama business lady, done that in the first place, y'all should have went to go pick up y'all. I can't tell her to bring it out here. It's not like she dropped it. She didn't. I'm a firm believer that she didn't. Don't worry about it. July 13th, Queens, New York. Did y'all get y'all tickets in? Make sure that y'all do. I still have I'm still waiting on something. to hear something. I'm going to support her in spirit and in truth for the things that the Lord will okay me of. I'm not going in too deep with this woman. That's going too far. That's why the Lord have me right here. And I'm going back to make love to my occupation. You understand? And that'll be the only reason. But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be at work. And we're just going to leave that blank, all right? I want to make sure y'all know and tell her, worry about that day, girl, what you going to wear? About 2 to 3 times the outfits. Big up Coco. Big up all the true people around her, you hear? I see some things that make me a believer. What can I say? Remember, she only pick up her phone and it go ding. When you care for the right reasons, there is no cash, nothing to it. Just to put on for people that don't care. See, they have to find people that genuinely does this for nothing. What I say, if this is the only outfit that I've ever had in the world, leave me alone. I'm a walk in spirit and I'm a walk in truth. That's the mamas right there. That's the business mamas right there. There's a lot of business mamas that I know over on this side and all over, but I've never met one as such in Jamaica. And big up to all the business people in Jamaica. But this here is a little different. You understand? Think, my people. Big up to my mamas. We all have God in us. Stay tuned. Y'all will find out. Anywhere you at, mamas, God bless you. Everything of yours should and shall be sold out. They don't know me, but thanks for motivating me. And I will stand on every one of my words. Out of body or in the living or out of here. Nothing can change it. And the Lord wouldn't want me to. He want all of y'all to think. Whatever y'all witness out here for 5 years, think. The only shed I shed a tear, let me tell you something, is to tell her thank you. From like 2020, thank you, man. I appreciate you, mamas. Dr. DMG, I appreciate you, lady. This is God's time, what time it is, and I got to go back. But before I go back, come in spirit and in truth. And I'm ashamed that old devil. You don't have nothing to worry about. That's why I speak standard English. Good night, my people. May God bless y'all. I'm going back on my travels. Later.